We start with the power of 4, and we need the power of 4 today. Heavy rain in the Gulf of Mexico, heavy rain off the East Coast, all associated with Tropical Storm Andrea, which has finally come ashore up in the northern portion of Florida, up in the Big Bend area. Actually, pretty healthy tropical storm with winds at about 65 miles per hour. But even though it's well to the north of us now, there's still a lot of weather that's going to be moving into southwest Florida tonight and tomorrow. We think the worst weather is behind us, but we still think it's going to be wet. Here's Andrea as of the 5 o'clock advisory with winds at 65 miles per hour, gusts up near 75. It's picked up some speed, and that's a good thing for us. Moving to the northeast at 17 miles per hour. Going to pick up a little more speed and be off the Carolina coastline tomorrow. But even if it's this far north, there are going to be feeder bands that extend down into southwest Florida. So we still expect to see an additional inch of rain in some places, maybe even close to 2 inches when we add up what falls tonight and then again tomorrow. Here's Storm Patrol Viper again showing us the water vapor imagery. This is the reason that this didn't turn into any sort of a major system. Earlier in the week, we had strong upper-level wind shear. As the system made its way farther to the north, see all this? That's dry air, the orange indicating the driest air. That drier air mixed in, helping to keep Andrea just a tropical storm, kept it from becoming a hurricane. But as we take a look at that, look what's going on the east side of the storm. As we've told you since the beginning, all the weather's been on the east side, and that's what we're going to see in southwest Florida tonight, tomorrow, and even Saturday looks to be a bit on the wet side. In the short term, rain coming ashore, especially in Collier County. We'll zoom in a little bit closer, show you the heaviest rain from Naples down toward Marco. As a matter of fact, let me take this opportunity to use our street level mapping and zoom right in on Marco. There's beautiful Marco Island. Looks like the rain going to get heavier here in the next 10 to 15 minutes for you. Good news is these are fast-moving showers, so sure, it rains real heavy for about 10-15 minutes or so, and then you get a decent break in the rain. All right, here's what we expect in southwest Florida. We still have that tornado watch in effect until 10 o'clock officially. We really don't expect any more tornadoes, but it's still in effect. Flood watch in effect until 8 o'clock tonight, and a tropical storm warning in effect for Charlotte and DeSoto counties. Now, that flood watch could be extended. I wouldn't be surprised at all if they extended it through Friday, because we're still going to get rain overnight tonight through tomorrow. High surf, gusty winds, and some of those squalls. We've shown you that with our live reports. That's something that is likely to continue overnight tonight through tomorrow, but let me reemphasize that the worst weather is probably behind us. There's another look at Andrea up in the northern portion of Florida coming ashore this evening, but look what's on top of southwest Florida. Meteorologist Michelle Cunningham has more on the track of Andrea.
That's right. We are continuing to watch a big swath of moisture, and you can see the counterclockwise rotation. It's nice that we have this tropical storm icon up here because you can see how it's spinning counterclockwise. Well, this is how this area of rain is kind of circulating around it, so it's going to make its way up across the Florida Peninsula, and it's still so far into the Gulf of Mexico that we have a couple more hours at least with this light to moderate rainfall, some heavy pockets of rain, and then it looks like it's going to continue through tomorrow too, because again, that tropical moisture extending right out into the Gulf of Mexico, so looking very wet tomorrow. Saturday, again, just a little bit of a flare-up, particularly in our inland communities in the afternoon. So it's hard to determine when the system is really going to pull out and we're going to see the tropical moisture kind of go with it. But by Sunday, it looks like we return to our more typical rainy season pattern where we are going to see less moisture, and it looks like more afternoon showers and thunderstorms. So rain chances tomorrow and Saturday going to stay in the 60% chance range, whereas they go down to about 40% on Saturday. So again, a lot of tropical moisture continuing to move through here. We're going to continue to monitor this situation. For our inland communities, a power of 4 zone forecast. Cloudy and breezy, scattered rain, and again, pockets of heavy rain possible throughout the day tomorrow with temperatures in the mid-80s. We're looking at our harbor zones. You got hit so hard this morning. Cloudy and windy tomorrow with scattered rain possible throughout the day. Southwesterly winds gusting very high tomorrow as well. And we're looking at cloudy and windy, scattered rain, southwesterly at 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusting, and then we're looking at the beaches. And again, we're still seeing that onshore flow, so we're going to continue to see the showers moving onshore, especially Collier County, overnight tonight and into tomorrow. Tropical moisture remains in place tomorrow. Rain chance is going to stay between 60 and 70%. And then Saturday, we'll see a little bit more of the activity move toward the afternoon hours. And then we return to our more typical rainy season pattern on Sunday. But a wet